Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
In today's video, we are going to a farm and we're going to be showing you guys all the animals. So there's also a carnival and a maze, and we're going to be going there. And we're going to be showing you guys everything. So if you guys,
it's going to be so fun.
If you guys want to see us, keep on watching. So we're now going to the maze and I need to find my way out, so let's go. Which way? Number 3. Oh my god. Okay, wait, put it here. So we went.
Just one.
Beautiful name. Say your name, Mere. Say hi to Mita. Mita, we won.
Mita.
Dalia, say Mita, we won.
Mita, we won.